Did you know that eating corn with certain foods could actually harm your health? Corn, a staple in many diets worldwide, is incredibly beneficial when paired with the right foods. However, even a nutritious food like corn needs to be consumed correctly to be beneficial to your body. Eating corn with the wrong foods can potentially lead to severe health effects, including increased risks of cancer and dementia. So, I have prepared this information for you to prevent disease. I will tell you about 3 foods that pair worst with corn, primarily focusing on their cancer-causing effects. Everyone, what if there was a food that was great for providing essential nutrients, boosting your energy levels, improving digestive health, and even aiding in weight management? What if it also promoted heart health and kept you feeling full? Even if it was expensive and didn't taste good, you'd definitely want to find and eat it, right? The food I'm going to introduce today is delicious and, moreover, it is affordable, making it cost-effective. Today's star is called a powerhouse of nutrients, corn. Recently, it has been reported that corn is good for maintaining healthy vision and is being developed as a preventive treatment for eye-related issues. In fact, just consuming corn can provide essential vitamins and minerals that are crucial for overall health, proving it to be highly effective in promoting well-being. But did you know that even a healthy food like corn can be harmful to your health if eaten with certain foods? Some combinations can lead to the formation of harmful compounds that significantly increase the risk of developing cancer. Now let's find out together the 3 worst food combinations with corn that can hinder disease prevention and substantially increase the risk of cancer and dementia, and the 3 best combinations for optimal health benefits. First worst food you never combined with corn is high fructose corn syrup, HFCS. High fructose corn syrup is a sweetener found in many processed foods and beverages. It is linked to obesity, insulin resistance, and metabolic syndrome, which are major risk factors for cancer. Consuming corn with HFCS products can significantly increase your intake of fructose, leading to liver damage, fatty liver disease, and an increased risk of liver cancer. This combination can also exacerbate the risk of colorectal and pancreatic cancers due to their effects on blood sugar and insulin levels, creating an environment conducive to cancer cell growth. Second worst food never combined with corn is artificial sweeteners. Consuming corn with foods or beverages containing artificial sweeteners can be detrimental to your health. Some artificial sweeteners like aspartame have been linked to an increased risk of certain cancers. Additionally, the combination of corn's carbohydrates with artificial sweeteners can lead to metabolic confusion and insulin resistance, which are significant risk factors for developing cancer, particularly pancreatic cancer. The metabolic disruption caused by artificial sweeteners can also contribute to chronic inflammation, creating an environment that is conducive to cancer cell growth. This combination can heighten the risk of other cancers as well, such as colorectal cancer, due to the way artificial sweeteners affect gut microbiota and overall digestive health. Third worst food never combined with corn is fried foods. Fried foods are high in unhealthy fats and acrylamides, which are carcinogenic substances formed during high-temperature cooking. When consumed with corn, the high-fat content can exacerbate the glycemic impact of corn, leading to insulin resistance and increased inflammation. This combination can significantly elevate the risk of cancers, particularly colorectal and pancreatic cancer, due to the harmful compounds and high-calorie content. We have covered all the worst food combinations with corn, so now let's talk about the best combinations. First best food combination with corn is beans. Combining corn with beans creates a complete protein, which is essential for muscle repair and growth. This combination also provides a balanced array of essential amino acids, making it a great choice for vegetarians and anyone looking to boost their protein intake. Second best combination with corn is avocado. Pairing corn with avocado not only adds a delicious creaminess, but also enhances the absorption of fat-soluble vitamins found in corn. Avocado is rich in healthy fats, fiber, and antioxidants, making this combination excellent for heart health and skin. Third and last best food combination with corn is tomatoes. Mixing corn with tomatoes creates a powerhouse of antioxidants. Tomatoes are rich in lycopene, a powerful antioxidant that works well with the nutrients in corn to fight inflammation and reduce the risk of chronic diseases, including certain types of cancer.